What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift back at it again with another banger video. And as you guys can tell, man, we finally got the GoPro. A lot of you guys have been asking me to get the GoPro, so I finally listened to you guys. I invested in my channel, got me a little GoPro Hero 11, and I'm gonna do a little POV drive for you guys in a Dodge Charger RT. So if you guys want more POVs like this or more fire content like this, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and comment what other kind of POVs you guys want me to do or any kind of content you guys want me to make. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and let's get to it, man. It's gonna be a little raw, uncut video, no edits or anything like that. So I'm just getting the feel for this little GoPro thing, and yeah, let's go on this little 10-minute drive to my location of where I gotta go. I ain't gonna do too much talking, but I am gonna hit the highway shortly once this light turns green. Hopefully you guys can see everything, the dash and all that, speedometer and stuff. I'm gonna turn it, here we go. All right, we're busting this left right now. We're getting ready to approach the highway. Kind of sucks that it's raining out because I can't really, you know, drive how I want to drive. The road is wet and stuff. But this is a calm little POV drive, so stay tuned to the end. It's gonna be a good one. I do need gas. I'm at 53 miles. I don't run into any traffic or anything like that. Right now I am using my paddle shifters. So hard not to do the freaking speed limit, man. This car is so heavy, it feels like you're going slow. Whole time I was going 80. It felt like I was going like 50. I don't think I ever got to show you guys the stars on my roof neither, but as you guys can see, we got the stars. Looks good at nighttime. I was gonna go in track mode, but I feel as though there's no point to do that in the rain. No, safety first. I'll show you guys what she sounds like though. You probably heard straight wind. Summertime, I'm gonna go crazy. I can't wait till summertime. Summertime, the POV drives are gonna go crazy. Watch. Hoping you guys can see this good. come down. Gotta be careful in this rain. This is the time where I don't want to F around and find out. My luck, I literally tapped the gas and spin out. So I'm gonna make this a little chill POV. Not nothing too crazy, but just let me know if you guys F with it or anything. Like if I should keep making them and stuff. Brakes for, bro. I'm hoping it looks like we're running into some traffic, bro. I can't even really drive how I want to. Sucks. But I'm gonna definitely make more content for y'all. It's just a little preview of the GoPro. Just getting a feel for it. I don't even know if my settings are exactly the way, like how I want them to be. Like I might end up changing my settings and stuff like that, so just stay tuned, man. Bro's hitting the brakes and he's nowhere near that car. Forgot people don't know how to drive in the rain, bro. Like we running into some traffic. I ain't gonna lie, this Durango sitting like it's SRT. I don't know why it's built like that. I know I'm not tripping. It's sitting pretty low. Damn, is that my brakes? Alright, y'all. I'm really praying this video isn't just me in traffic, because I can't really cut up, and you can see the traffic is getting bad. It's getting worse. I don't want to do any illegal things and things of that nature just for this video. But could try to get through this traffic fast. Stayed in this lane. Damn, bro. This sucks badly. It's like when I switch lanes, the lane that I was already in goes faster. All right, now we good. We got that big old truck coming to take my old spot. Damn, bro. I wish I could just, I wish I was pro with it. I mean, I'm pretty good at cutting up, but right now in the rain, I can't really do that for y'all. But I mean, at least y'all could appreciate the fact that I got a GoPro, so smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for me, and I'm gonna make some fire content for y'all, I promise. Word. I could go in manual mode. She sound good in second gear, bro. Once again, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT for the ones who don't know, for the strangers who are new to this channel. Go ahead, bro, get over. It's a black top edition. Back over, bro. I'm just gonna stay in this lane. Downshift. Looks like traffic is coming to an end though, at least. Downshift, second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. See, bro, why are you hitting your brakes? You're all the way back here, dude. GPS anymore, to be honest. One thing I don't like about this GoPro Hero 11 or whatever, I don't know if this is with all the GoPros. I mean, obviously this is the newest one, but I hate the fact that this dies fast. Like, I noticed, hold on. I noticed, like, using it, I will record for 15 minutes, not even, and it'll literally go from 100 to 50, like, fast. It's starting to come down, though. The rain is coming down. But yeah, that's the only thing I hate about the GoPros, man. They die so fast. It's like you gotta be quick with the videos. This ain't something you can really use for hours. I mean, maybe, but I am approaching my destination, so once again, it's a little short, little raw, uncut video, unedited video. And if you guys have any other questions about like the GoPro and any content that I made in the past or anything at all that relates to my channel, make sure you guys go down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all you guys. And smash that like button, and yeah, subscribe to me, y'all. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.